I don't know about you, but every time I have a craving for rice and peas, I want it right now. So the whole process of soaking the peas, grating the coconuts, that's not really for me. This method is quick but doesn't compromise on taste because you still get that traditional Jamaican rice and peas flavor, and it only took you 30 minutes. To start, you'll need white rice. I'm using jasmine rice, but long grain white rice also works. Canned kidney beans, water, coconut milk powder. This might be controversial, but it lets you get a more concentrated coconut flavor without adding more liquid. Freshly ground allspice or pimento, scallions, garlic, scotch bonnet is optional, butter, fresh thyme, and salt. Get started by washing your rice with some lukewarm water. This is to get rid of the extra starch, which would make the rice and peas sticky, or as we say in Jamaica, plaka plaka, which we do not want. You can either rinse the rice as I'm doing in the pot here, or you can use a sieve. You want to rinse until the water runs completely clear. While you're rinsing, just move the rice around in the water. Do this gently because you do not want to fragment the grains. If you're using a pot, you'll have to drain the water and repeat the rinsing process as needed. It usually takes me about 4 to 7 times for the water to run completely clear. Once you're satisfied, drain all the water from the rice a final time, then to the pot add the water to cook the rice, the coconut milk powder, your kidney beans, which we drained from the can and lightly rinsed, thyme, scallions, garlic, allspice, salt, butter, and scotch bonnet pepper if you're using. Traditionally, the scallions, garlic, and allspice are all left whole, but 1, I prefer having less chunks to pick out, 2, biting into a whole pimento is unpleasant, and 3, they release a lot more flavor this way. Put the pot on the stove over high heat and give it a quick gentle stir just to distribute everything evenly. Once the butter melts, give it another gentle stir and allow it to come to a moderately aggressive bubble, just like this. Cover it and immediately turn the heat down to low so the liquid doesn't dry out too fast, and let it cook for 25 minutes, undisturbed. When it's ready, the rice should be soft and tender, fluff, and serve up with your Sunday dinner. Get the full recipe and extra tips on my blog. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who wants an easier Sunday. Bye!